Up next at North County Indian Motorcycle, we've got this used, barely used, 2016 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special. You can see right a whole bunch of upgraded components, including highway pegs, floorboards. What a great design. What dirt or rocks are going to get caught in that? Answer, none. High volume air intake. And then in a minute, we'll demonstrate the set of Vance & Hines pipes the previous owner put on so you can enjoy them and won't have to pay for them. The bike has under 6,000 miles right now. Nice throaty low notes. Cover there. Bike's in really good shape. I've made, well, this will be my third lap around it, looking for imperfections and not finding any. Beautiful bike, excellent value here on consignment. So there are no test rides. But it's priced right and it's drop dead gorgeous. It's available for you to check it out 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.